Let's make some Boston brown bread. Stir cornmeal, rye flour, wheat flour, baking powder, baking soda, and kosher salt. Next, stir in your molasses, maple syrup, and vanilla. Next, stir in your milk. Then stir in your raisins. Next, we're going to add our batter to our greased loaf pan. Cover tightly with aluminum foil, then bake at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. When your bread is cool enough to handle, remove it from the pan, then sit it on your favorite platter. Slice and serve. Full recipe in the description. Doesn't that look delicious? Are you hungry yet?